Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today I will talk about the iOS system repair. Recently I faced some issues with my device and it's stuck on the black screen and it's not responding anymore. I tried to fix with the iTunes and 3U tools but I got some errors and it's not detecting the USB sometimes. And I tried to force restart and reboot also but it's not showing anything, and I have some important data in my device, some photographs and the other things. I don't want to lose that. So in this video I'm going to show you a tool to repair all kind of these iOS related problems with any iPhone, iPad or iPod touch without losing any kind of files, without data loss. It can fix boot loop issues, Apple logo stuck, recovery stuck, black screen issue and many more. And I have another device that are stuck on Apple logo with the loading bar. So you can fix all kind of these iOS system errors, and there is a giveaway running on my channel on my last video, so you can check out that video to enter and participate in the giveaway. So without wasting time, let's jump to the computer screen and start the process. So this tool is from Tenorshare and it's a Tenorshare Reiboot. It's a free recovery mode tool and iOS system repair software. It has one-click recovery option and can repair more than 150 iOS system repair problems, and it's compatible with the latest iOS 14 and support all iPhone, iPad and iPod touch model. You can use this tool to downgrade from iOS 14 beta to the stable iOS 14 version, and you can fix more than 150 plus iOS and iPad OS stuck problems. So you can use this tool to repair your iDevice, and you can see all the scenarios this tool can work. So you can fix Apple logo stuck issue, recovery stuck and many more. So you can check out all these options, and this tool is available for Windows and Mac OS both. So you can download from the description link. After that you can easily install on your Windows machine or Mac OS machine. After the installation, just click on finish and it will launch the Tenorshare Reiboot. And this tool has a useful option to enter in the recovery mode for free. You have to just connect your device and click on the screen, enter in recovery mode, and your device will be automatically get into recovery mode without pressing home button. So it's useful in those cases if your home button is damaged and not working and you have to enter in the recovery mode. So you can use this tool to enter in the recovery mode in one click, and you can exit from the recovery mode also. Now below you will get the iOS system repair option. Click on that. Here you will get the two modes. One is standard repair mode and the other is deep repair mode. In the standard repair mode, you can fix all problems without losing your data, and it can repair 150 plus iOS system related issues. And the other is the deep repair mode. If you are unable to repair in the standard mode, you can select the deep repair mode. It will repair your device, but in that you will lose your data. So choose according to that. I will choose the standard mode to repair my device that is stuck on the black screen condition. Now connect your device and just click on fix now. Now you have to import the IPSW of your device with the latest version. So if you have already downloaded, you can import in the tool or you can download within the tool also. After that, just click on fix now and it will start repairing your device. Now it's done and my device is booting up normally. Now you can see it's working like a normal device, and the best part is my all data is saved, so no data loss. It can repair the iOS system very easily. My all pictures and everything is saved. So you can check out this tool, links in the description. So that's all for the Tenorshare Reiboot. If you are interested in this tool, you can check out the feature in the free version and the pro version, and you will get the one-click recovery in the free trial and all the advanced feature in the pro version. And there are the 70% off sale running on all the products including the Tenorshare Reiboot. So check out the description link for complete information. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.